1. Recognize and acknowledge your emotions. The first step is to be aware of the intense emotions you are experiencing. Take a moment to identify and label the specific emotion you are feeling. 2. Take deep breaths. Deep breathing can help calm your nervous system and reduce the intensity of your emotions. Focus on taking slow, deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. 3. Practice mindfulness. Bring your attention to the present moment and observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Mindfulness can help you detach from intense emotions and gain a sense of control. 4. Use positive self-talk. Replace negative or irrational thoughts with positive affirmations. Remind yourself that you have the power to manage your emotions and that they do not define you. 5. Engage in physical activity. Physical exercise can help release pent-up energy and reduce stress. Go for a walk, run, or engage in any form of exercise that you enjoy to help regulate your emotions. 6. Seek support from others. Reach out to a trusted friend, family member, or therapist who can provide a listening ear and offer guidance on managing intense emotions. 7. Practice relaxation techniques. Experiment with various relaxation techniques such as progressive muscle relaxation, guided imagery, or meditation. Find what works best for you and incorporate it into your daily routine. 8. Engage in creative outlets. Expressing your emotions through art, writing, or other creative activities can be therapeutic. Find a creative outlet that resonates with you and use it as a means of processing and channeling your intense emotions. 9. Take breaks when needed. If you find yourself overwhelmed by intense emotions, give yourself permission to take a break from the situation or environment causing distress. Stepping away can provide an opportunity to regain composure and perspective. 10. Practice self-care. Prioritize self-care activities that promote emotional well-being, such as getting enough sleep, eating nutritious meals, engaging in hobbies, and practicing self-compassion. Taking care of yourself can help regulate your emotions and improve overall emotional resilience.